Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a plasticity tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to save out your plasticity files so that you can bring them into Blender and do some basic edits. Subscriber had asked, on the video I did for this coffee cup, he had asked if you could save these out as OBJ or SVG and how you would be able to edit those. And actually you can. You just have to, once your model is done, you want to come up here to your drop down and do export save as. And then you want to come down here to save file types. You want to scroll down to wavefront OBJ. You want to give this a name, test. We'll save it on the desktop. Hit save. And then when you do, you're going to get this type. This is your type of topology. You want to have the engons. It just makes it cleaner. You can't edit this. That'd just be a mess. Especially if you had a really complicated model, this would be just horrible. So go ahead and change to engons, and then go ahead and hit OK. Then you want to minimize, and then you want to open up Blender, and then then we want to get rid of that primitive. We want to come up here to File, do import wavefront OBJ, go to the desktop, and then we want to double click on our test file. Now you got this file here. So what we could do from here is go ahead and rotate this, and then we could come up here to edit mode, and we can go over here to our selection mode, and then click on the face there, hit extrude, put a little base on there. Then we can go ahead and navigate over. Let's go this way. We could go ahead and select, actually go to your viewport shader. This is a transparent mode that lets you select everything, and then hit grab, and then G, and then Z, and then we could extrude this handle farther back if we wanted to, or we make it shorter. So that would be our edit there. And then go ahead and turn off that 3D shading or 3D viewing, and then we would be able to save this out. That would be our edit, and then we'd be able to come up here to File, do a save as. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, not save as. You want to go to File, and you want to come down here to Export. Then you want to export as STL if you are going to print this. So then you would do your print, put it on the desktop, give it a name, export, and then you close up this, close up Blender. You don't have to save it, and now you have your STL file, so you'd be able to print that. Okay, that's going to end the tutorial on how to actually take your plasticity file, how to save it out as an OBJ, how to bring that OBJ into Blender, and how to make some basic edits. Okay, I'm going to end the tutorial there. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got some useful tips out of the video. And as always, thanks for watching.